Hi guys, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to set monthly data limit on Google Pixel 7a or any Android. So it is very simple. Simply swipe up the screen for one menu, then go to Settings application. You can see here and open Network and Internet, the first option. After that, open Internet. Then click on the gear icon. You can see here. Okay, and then you can see option of data warning and limit. Click on that. Then you can see option of data limit, so click on that. There is two limit like data warning and data limit. Click on data limit because data limit is the main settings, and you can set different amount of data is here like MB or GB. And this is very useful feature because whenever you are using a limited data like paid data or limited by monthly or daily, you can simply set that, because after that you will be charged an amount for using data. So this is not more depending on India, because India have more free plans and more unlimited data plans, but in foreign countries mobile data is too expensive, so you need these settings. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, one small thing, whenever you reach the mobile data limit, the phone automatically stop using mobile data and it is showing a warning message on your notification area. That means your limit is reached. So in this way you can easily save your money or save your data. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.